There are 5 key ways that you can magnify your screen on a Chromebook. If we go into our settings, we can go into display and magnification. And the first one you can see here is full screen magnifier. If we turn this on, you can see how it's magnifying the whole screen and will move around as I move my cursor around. Now you can toggle this on and off on a Chromebook by using Control, the search button and M. You can also zoom in and out using Control, Alt, and the brightness keys to move up and down in your zoom. As you can see, there are some settings here that allow you to adapt how the screen moves along with your cursor. Next, if we look at the docked magnifier, this gives you an area of magnification at the top of the screen that will reflect where your cursor is moving at the bottom. What we can do as well is move the areas so that it gives you either a bigger or smaller magnified area. The next 2 ways of magnifying are linked more with Google Chrome. First, we can do the page zoom, and this is where we hit Control and the plus or the minus button on our keyboard. So we can see that zooming in and out. If we do Control and 0, it will reset it to 100%. Now this is just zoomed in on the page that we're in. If we actually want to do everything on our display, that's where we use magnification for display size. And for this, you do Control Shift and then the plus and the minus keys. So as you can see, everything on the page here is getting bigger and smaller. Again, Control Shift 0 will reset that. The last area of zoom is to pinch and zoom. Now, on all Chromebooks, you can do this on the touchpad. I'm going to just zoom in by pinching my fingers up and down. If you do have a touchscreen device, you can also do that on the touchscreen as well. So this is a quick introduction to those 5 ways that you can zoom using your Chromebook.